To connect your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G with a car, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to move down and select more connectivity options. Scroll down again and here you can find Android Auto. Now make sure that you have internet connection, either mobile data or Wi-Fi. If you have it, click on Android Auto. If not, just connect with the internet. After that, it should transfer you first to the Google Play Store. I've already done it, so I don't have the screen, but I will explain it very simple. So your Google Play Store should open. You will need to log in if you're not logged in to your Google account, obviously. And after that, you will need to update your Android Auto app. Most of the time, it just comes without this update, and you always need to update it to connect it with your car. Now, finally, when you're ready, you can click on Connect a Vehicle. And here there's two options to connect it. First one is through the cable. So if you have a cable that allows you to connect both your phone and your car, just plug it in and your device should connect with that car. If you don't have that cable, but you have option to connect it wirelessly, if your car specifically does support wireless connection, you can click on Connect using wireless Android Auto. Now enter pairing mode on your vehicle, so make sure to enter pairing mode properly, check some tutorials online for it. Then connect using Bluetooth and here pair with your vehicle. Now you should see on the list your vehicle name, just click on it and confirm the pairing on both of the devices. Now you are connected with your car. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.